Hi everyone, this is my homework. Today we learn to shout. The first shout. Pass. Pass. Phrase. Phrase. Swap. 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 I go here by bus. I go here by bus. I swap my house every day. She has a beautiful face. The second shout. Raise, raise, easy, easy, news, news. Please raise your ideas, raise your ideas. He has a big nose. Easy come, easy go. Thank you listening.